Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today our question is 3 plus square root of x plus 9 whole square root that is equal to cube root of x. So we need to find the value of x here. Now we have to start our solution. First of all, let's suppose that this x plus n it is equal to u. So let that u is equal to x plus 9, this x plus 9. So if we just find the value of x from this equation, then we get x is equal to, then this plus will be shifted to left hand side, so we get u minus 9. Here let's say it is our equation number 1. We have just find this value of x because we have to put here on our right hand side, and similarly x plus 9 here on our that left hand side. So here it will be 3 plus x plus 9 square root, that square root of x plus 9 is equal to u. So 3 plus square root of u whole square root, that is equal to that cube root of x is equal to u minus 9. So now our next step is here, if we take cube on both hand side, here we have 3 plus square root of u whole square root, and then taking cube on our left hand side, similarly cube root of u minus 9, taking cube here. On our right hand side we can cancel out this cube root with cube, so we have here we have that square root of 3 plus square root of u whole cubed, that is equal to u minus 9. Now here, as we know that if we have a cubed, if we have just a cube, it is equal to a squared times a. So a squared times a, we just write, and this one like square root of 3 plus square root of u whole squared times this square root of 3 plus square root of u. Now it is equal to u minus 9. Now here this square is cancelled out with square root, we get 3 plus square root of u times square root of 3 plus square root of u, that is equal to u minus 9. Here if we divide both hand side by this 3 plus square root of u, so dividing by 3 plus square root of u on both sides, then we get this 3 plus square root of u times square root of 3 plus square root of u is equal to u minus 9. Now dividing here this 3 plus square root of u, and similarly here 3 plus square root of u. Here it can be cancelled out, then we have square root of u, 3 plus square root of this 3 plus square root of u, that is equal to u minus 9 divided by 3 plus square root of u. Now let us suppose that this 3 plus square root of u, here if we just suppose this one, that square root of u is equal to, let this m is equal to square root of u. So if we take square on both hand side, then it will be m squared is equal to square root of u whole squared. This squared can be cancelled out with square root, we get m squared, here it is equal to u. So let's say it is our equation number 2. Now substituting these values here in our problem, then we get now square root of here 3 plus square root of u, so square root of u is equal to m, here we just write 3 plus m, that is equal to u minus 9. So u is equal to m squared and minus 9 divided by this 3 plus square root of u is equal to m. So now our next step is here, if we just take squared on both hand side, so square root of 3 plus m whole squared, is equal to m squared minus 9 all over 3 plus m whole squared. Here this squared can be cancelled out with square root. We have 3 plus m is equal to, here we see that this m squared minus 9, it can be written as m squared minus 3 squared. So according to algebraic formula, it is equal to m plus 3 times m minus 3. So using this here, m squared minus 3 squared, so it will be equal to m plus 3 times m minus 3. Here it is written as that m plus 3 times m minus 3 all over this 3 plus m can also be written as m plus 3 whole squared. Now this m plus 3 on our right hand side, it is cancelled out with m plus 3. We have 3 plus m is equal to m minus 3 whole squared. Now our next step is here, as we know that a minus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. So here it is written as 3 plus m is equal to m squared plus 9 minus 3 times 2 is 6m. So here we have that m squared plus 9 minus 6m. If we shifted this one to our right hand side, then we get minus 3 minus m is equal to 0. Now our next step is here m squared, here minus 6m minus m is minus 7m, and plus 9 minus 3 is plus 6 is equal to 0. Now it is a nice quadratic equation. We have to solve this by using factorization method. As we know that here we just factor out like m squared. This minus 7m can also be written as minus 6m minus m, which is equal to minus 7m plus 6 is equal to 0. So now making pairs here, then here we just take m is common, we get m minus 6. Here minus 1 is common, we have m minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have common factor, which is m minus 6, and here another one is m minus 1 is equal to 0. Now m minus 6 is equal to 0 and m minus 1 is also equal to 0. We have two values of m. Here m is equal to 6 and here m is equal to 1. Now we are going to recall our equation number 2, as our equation 2 is m squared is equal to u. Here we have m squared is equal to u. It is our equation number 2. So here m squared is equal to u, but when m is equal to 6, it is 6 squared, that is equal to u, and u is equal to 6 squared is 36. Now we have to recall our equation number 1. So equation 1 is, that is x is equal to u minus 9. Here we have x is equal to u minus 9. It is our equation number 1. So x is equal to u minus 9, but putting the value of u, which is 36, here x is equal to 36 minus 9. So x is equal to 27. It is our first value of x. Let's say it is x1. Now finding x2. For this purpose, we have to use another value of m, which is 1. Here again recall equation 2. So equation 2 is, here we have m squared is equal to u. Here m is 1, so u is equal to 1 squared and u is equal to 1. Now recalling equation 1. So recall our equation number 1. Our equation 1 is x is equal to u minus 9 u minus 9. So x is equal to u is 1. So 1 minus 9, x is equal to minus 8. So let's say it is x2. So we have two values of x. First is positive and next one is negative here. Now we have to verify our problem. Let's verify. So for verification, we have to use first when x1 is equal to 27, but our problem is 3 plus square root of x plus 9, that is whole square root, is equal to cube root of x. So we have to verify this. So when x is equal to 27, here we have 3 plus 27 minus 9. Is it equal to cube root of x is 27? So our next step will be, as we know that 27 here, 27 minus 9 and 3 plus 27 minus 9, so we have that it is equal to here so in problem we have x plus 9, so here 27 plus 9, then 3 plus 27 plus 9 is 36 square root. Is it equal to cube root of this 27 can also be written as 3 cubed. So here this cube is cancelled out with cube root. Then we have here whole squared. So square root of 3 plus square root of 36 is equal to 6. Is it equal to that? Here we get 3. 6 plus 3 is square root of 9. Is it equal to 3? And square root of 9 is equal to 3. So 3 is equal to 3. Hence our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this value of x is valid for this problem, that is x1 is equal to 27. It is valid. Now verifying this value here, so we have to just put this value in our problem. Our problem is 3 plus square root of x plus 9 whole square root, then 3 plus square root of here x is minus 8 plus 9 whole square root. Is it equal to cube root of minus 8? Now here we have 3 plus square root of plus minus 8 plus 9 is equal to 1 whole square root. Is it equal to cube root of, we can also write this, that 8 times cube root of minus 1. So here we get 3 plus square root of 1 is equal to 1 whole square root. Then here we get 2 cubed, which is equal to 8 cube root. Cancelling this cube with cube root, we get minus 1 cube root is equal to minus 1. So we have 3 plus 1 is 4 square root. Is it equal to, here we get 2 times minus 1. So square root of 4 is equal to 2. And here it is minus 2. And we see that 2 is not equal to minus 2. So it is not true. It is not true. Now this value of x is rejected. So x2 is minus 8. It is rejected. Hence our final answer is 27. So it is value of x from this problem. Now we are going to check our entire solution here, that we get two values of x, but the only valid solution is x1, which is 27. So it is our entire solution here. We just check our solution here. So our final value is 27. So x is equal to 27. It is our final answer. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.